So I never made it to work yesterday, but that's all right. We got to take care of 2 service calls today. First one, we got a toilet that got taken off the floor, and I guess the flange is Let's go check it out. It ain't pretty. Somebody's got to do it, though. It's an honest day's work. In my area, if there was purple primer left behind, that just means 30-pack Jack was here before me. There it is. Nobody wants to see someone sit a toilet. I know it's a little close to the wall. I came here to fix the flange, not re-rough the bathroom. Let's go see what's next.